Tired, exhausted, and now you have to cook? Oven lasagna takes ages. Browning, layering, waiting forever. Why stress yourself out? Skip all of that fuss and try skillet lasagna instead. Fast, easy, and just as delicious in 30 minutes. A few quick tips before we get started. For best practice, we need a wide and rather deep skillet, much like this one. I'm going with lean ground beef only, but if you love deeper flavor, do a 50-50 mix with Italian sausage. And no boiled pasta makes this skillet lasagna way faster. There are a few other key tips to keep in mind. Be sure to completely submerge the broken pasta pieces in the sauce and spread them out evenly as I demonstrated, so they cook all the way through and evenly for a perfect result. Avoid overcrowding the pan with extra ingredients. If you do so, increase the amount of sauce and liquid so everything is fully covered and cooks properly. Also, feel free to use keto-friendly marinara sauce like I did, and try low-fat or fat-free feta cheese or cottage cheese instead. Be adventurous. With this method, it's so easy to customize. This lasagna serves 4 and the calorie count is around 520. Now a quick question for you. What is your favorite lasagna twist? Maybe you love adding extra veggies, adding Italian sausage, going all beef, or maybe even ground chicken or turkey. Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your ideas. If you enjoyed this video and helpful, hit like and subscribe for more easy Mediterranean inspired recipes made for seniors and healthy eaters alike. My channel is all about real flavors, smart tips, and no-nonsense cooking. You'll find links below for the low-carb marinara, no-boil pasta, and my other favorite tools I use every day. This video is chapters, so you can rewatch any part anytime. Thanks so much for watching. If you're still hungry for more, check out my other videos right here. Hope to see you in my next video. Stay healthy and take care.